What's up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back. I'm just here with August. We're hanging out by the pool today. Decided to soak up some sun. I might start making some videos out here. I might even bring the SUR-RON out here. Maybe sit it next to the pool when I do my little review or whatever. I have basically like a townhouse, so I don't think they would mind that as long as I'm not ripping it around the pool doing like wheelies or anything like that. I mean, we might jump the corner of the pool on it or something. But anyhow, I hope everyone's having a great day. I'm just sitting here. This is like my unofficial chilling the most weekend. So I just got my little igloo. I got this sweet little igloo cooler for 10 bucks. And looks like my phone's drifting on me. Hang on. Let me fix this. But yeah, got these brand new Coors Light Summer Edition cans. I don't know, I'm kind of digging them. Pretty much no flavor to a Coors Light, but if it's fresh and it's hot out, it's pretty nice. But so anyhow, just sitting around waiting on my SUR-RON, hanging out with my daughter. It's Father's Day 2020. Hope everyone's having an amazing Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there.
You are. Get on him.
There's nothing more rewarding than being a father. But yeah, I got everything pretty much ordered for the SUR-RON X. I guess this will be a SUR-RON X video. Just tell me what you would like to see. Give me some thoughts about what you would like me to do with it when I get it. I'm definitely going to do a detailed unboxing video. I'm going to install all the parts. I got the handlebars. I got the brake pads. I got some Pro Taper. I was going to get some different handlebars that I found that were really cool. Deity. They're called Deity High Rise, I think. But they actually were just not in stock. And then I found a killer deal on eBay from a guy from it's like a dealership or whatever online store, but like $75 for the Pro Taper 3-inch high rise bars that fit the stock risers. So that'll be sweet. Sorry, I'm still working. I got the little thing holding the phone onto the pole on the awning and it's just kind of drifting on me a little bit. But so I got the Pro Taper 3mm high rise bars in black with the yellow Pro Taper on there. And so that's super exciting. They're going to be nice. And the owner of Luna Cycles said that he's going to be coming out with the new skid plate next week. So keep your eye out on their website. But they have the Luna Cycle skid plate. And I guess in the past it was maybe the welds were a little weak at times. I guess this one's new and improved, maybe a little bit thicker. I got those 3mm tubes in. I'll give you a picture of that right now. Check these tubes out. Let's flash over and put that up here. Look at them tubes. Put them right here. But yeah, they're sweet. They're 3mm thick. Like, I mean, when you have that tube completely collapsed, it's like that. It's like I don't know, probably damn near 1/4 of an inch, 6mm, whatever that comes out to in inches. I mean, it's freaking thick. So that tube's going to be gnarly. It was IRC. I'll link a picture of the box in here so you guys know what tubes to get. But yeah, I got the bars, got the tubes. I got some foot pegs from China that looked really, really nice. I'll link those as well. You can look at those, check those out. I got the graphics kit from China. I'll link that. And what else did I get? Brake pads. Let's look at the brake pads so you know what brake pads you want. The brake pads, you pretty much just want these certain ones. And grips. I got some rental dual compound grips. They look like this. Where the duck's at right now, he should have a grip on his head now. Amazing what you can do at the pool with a Coors Light and technology and a little bit of Wi-Fi. But yeah, if you guys want to open up your own YouTube channel, please do it because it's an awesome community. It's not that hard to do. You can tell because I'm able to do it. And just have fun with it, you know. It's your own little universe. Do what you want with it. We all live in our own little dream, you know. So share your dream with others. Today my dream is just sitting by the pool, thinking about my SUR-RON. I'm going to be getting on the forums and checking out what's going on, interacting. I really like the community a lot. It's definitely a big step up from communities where people are just blindly following, no matter how lousy the product might be or how lousy the shipping might be or how many boxes are damaged. It's kind of nice I like Luna. I like SUR-RON. It's cool. It's a bunch of people that appreciate the performance of the bike, and that's probably the most important part, honestly. Because when you're riding it, it looks cool as hell. But when you're riding it down the road at 40 or 50 miles an hour, yeah, the looks matter, but also more than anything, it matters that it's not going to blow up. The motor's not going to start cogging on you and stop working, you know. It's going to charge in 2.5 hours because it comes with a 10 amp charger instead of a 3 amp charger. So anyhow, yeah, I'm gonna cut this video off, and then as things come to me throughout the day, I might just go ahead and post a little bit. So happy Sunday, happy Father's Day. Let's say hi to August. Hey, what you doing over there? See if we can unhook and check out what she's up to.
Daddy, can you do this one?
Do what?
This one.
What do you want me to do? What you making over there? What is that? Say hi.
No, I'll make this one.
Can you say happy Father's Day?
But I don't have to make this one.
Oh my goodness. You want me to help you? Should I turn this thing off and help you? Now she dropped something. We're having problems here, ladies and gentlemen. Technical difficulties with the mini fun sweet treats. Maybe I should start doing kids playing YouTube reviews, but that would just be lame, and I'm not that interested in a bunch of Play-Doh. What? Say happy Father's Day, and I'll pick it up. Say happy Father's Day. Say it or I'm going to come tickle you. Well, ain't happening, folks. CJ Moto out.